चल के दिखाइए एक बार। सो विल बी एग्जामिनिंग और RA केस rheumatoid arthritis। एज यू कैन सी बोथ द लोअर लिम्स। बाबा रुक जाइए, वहीं पर रुक जाइए, पीछे पीछे घूम जाइए आप। दिस इज द क्लासिकल डिफॉर्मिटी seen in RA। as you can see the patient is having his planus, flat foot is there। this is the flat foot। this is the flat foot along with there is forefoot varus, as you can see from the behind, forefoot varus and ankle valgus is there। now we can इधर घूम जाइए बाबा। you can see the deformity of the toes। this is called cock up toes। this is the cock up toe। भाई का पाँव उठाइए ऊपर, ये पाँव उठाइए। as you can see this is the pes planus, flat foot, and this is the cock up toe। this is the cock up toe। वो पाँव दिखाइए। these are the cock up toe। ठीक, पाँव नीचे कर लीजिए। also you can see this knee joint is destroyed, it is having abnormal structure, and you can see its poor alignment of the joint। हाथ दिखाइए। this is the hitchhiker thumb। this is the hitchhiker thumb। this is swan neck deformity, as you can see slight flexion at the DIP and extension at the PIP। this is swan neck deformity। and here you can see there is radial deviation here। this is the jet deformity। this is the jet deformity। दोनों हाथ दिखाइए, हाथ दोनों सीधा करिए। here also you can see the elbow joint is deformed, both the elbow joints are deformed। this is the jet deformity involving the radial joint and the digits। I'm looking for rheumatoid nodules, which are mainly present over the brawny prominences। चलिए चलिए, तो अभी हाथ ऐसे ऊपर उठा करके चलिए, हाथ ऊपर उठा करके चलिए। हाँ, चलिए हाथ नीचे कर लीजिए। चलिए चल के दिखाइए, बस रुक जाइए, वो हाथ दिखाइए। अगेन यू कैन सी दिस इज द hitchhiker thumb।